witches, wizards, muggles, and explorers. Welcome back to our next day of Harry Potter camp. Today I've got with me my lovely assistant Ava again.
Hello.
And today we're going to talk about chemical reactions and do a really awesome experiment with some vinegar, baking soda, and of course glitter. All right, so first let's talk about where in Harry Potter this takes place. So, do you remember in the fourth book and movie when they're in the prefect's bathroom on the 5th floor?
Yes.
Do you remember why they were there?
To open the golden egg.
Yeah, to open the golden egg for the tasks in the Tri-Wizard Tournament. So, Harry goes up to the prefect's bathroom on the 5th floor, just like Cedric Diggory says, and hangs out with Moaning Myrtle. So when he puts the egg under the water, it bubbles. And that's what we're going to do, is we're going to recreate that experiment. But before we do, we have to talk about a chemical reaction. Now, there's some big old warning signs that you've got a chemical reaction on your hands. The first is that you'll get a change in color. So something can go from blue to red, green, and all kinds of cool things. Next, you've got formation of a different state of matter. Do you know what the states of matter are?
Liquid, solid, and gas.
Yeah, a liquid, solid, and a gas. So it's like when you put water in an ice tray and it comes out as ice, as a solid. So the liquid becomes a solid. And that's a chemical change right there. Next, you've got an odor change. So if something's really stinky, you know you've got a chemical reaction. It can also smell good, like when you're baking cookies or brownies, and you can't smell anything the first time, but right when it's about to come out of the oven, how does it smell?
Really good.
Really good. So you've got a whole new smell that you're getting. That's a chemical change. Temperature change is another one. So, like with the ice example, you're getting something that's a regular temperature and it comes out cold. So you're getting a completely different temperature from what you started with. And the last one, which might be my favorite, we have, do you know?
Bubbling.
Bubbling. So for today's experiment, we're going to show you a bubbling reaction. So we've got white vinegar, baking soda, and glitter, of course. So we're going to pour the baking soda in with the vinegar and glitter, and we're going to see what happens. So what do you think is going to happen, Ava?
It will start bubbling and rise and fall into the bowl under it.
All right, so it's going to go whoosh, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, do you want to do the honors of pouring the baking soda in first? Put a lot in there so we have a big old reaction. There we go. More. All right, put some glitter in there, because glitter's the best. All right. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Got it?
Yeah. How do you open it?
Whoa! Look at that bubbling reaction. You can even hear it fizzling from over here. So right now, it's like we've got the fountain in the middle of that bathtub in the 4th book. And we've got the gold that's like the egg that they're trying to open, and of course the bubbling water. So now that we've got all of these things combined, they formed a chemical reaction and a chemical change. And so there's all this cool bubbling happening, and it's still going on. So thank you guys so much for tuning in today, and we will have another video for you tomorrow with some awesome physics. Bye, guys.
Bye.